Chocolate comes from the cacao tree, a tree that grows in the tropical rainforests of a number of countries, including Brazil, Indonesia, the Ivory Coast, and Ghana. The first step in turning cacao into chocolate candy is the harvesting of cacao pods. Unlike many modern crops, cacao pods must be harvested by hand instead of machine. After workers pluck each pod by hand, they open the pods with a long knife called a machete. Then the workers take out the cacao or cocoa beans and throw away the husks. Workers place the beans in large piles and cover them with banana leaves. The beans are left there for about a week. During this time, the beans turn a deep, rich color, and the cocoa flavor and aroma develop. This process is called fermentation. After fermentation, the beans are scooped into sacks and shipped to chocolate manufacturers. Once the manufacturers receive a shipment of beans, they get down to the business of processing the cocoa into chocolate. The manufacturing process involves many steps, including roasting the beans at extremely high temperatures, separating the shell from the inside of the bean, and getting rid of the shells. The broken bean bits that remain are called nibs. The nibs are then crushed up into cocoa mass and melted. Manufacturers blend the melted cocoa mass with milk and sugar. These ingredients are churned until they become a brown powder called crumb. Cocoa butter is added to the crumb. This mixture becomes a thick liquid called chocolate paste. The paste is put into a machine that smooths it out. The liquid chocolate is then poured into molds. Finally, the chocolate cools down, is taken out of the mold, and becomes a chocolate bar.